All right, so we've shown you a little bit of what Integration Hub can do, and we keep telling you how easy it is to set up an integration with Integration Hub, but how easy is it actually? So this is what I want to show you. It's actually just a couple of clicks, and we mean that. So the way it works is I go into my event app or event space, and I click Integration Hub. And the first thing I'm going to see here is standard integrations that we have set up. Let's try using the HubSpot one. So I click install, and I see a couple of recipes, I will call them. And I'm just going to do the first one. If somebody is added to a new HubSpot list, we add them to EventMobi. Now, the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect my HubSpot account. You saw there's already a few accounts connected, but just to show you, this is a couple of clicks. There's a new window that opens that asks you to log on to HubSpot, and that's it. And it's the same in every CRM. I'm going to skip the entire process because, as you saw, there's already some integrations with HubSpot set up, and I'm just going to use those. But this is the general gist. And now I click Next or Continue. And now I need to select what list I want Integration Hub to watch for changes. So if somebody gets added to this list, then they get added to EventMobi. And then when they get added into EventMobi, what fields go where? So first name, for example, goes into first name field in EventMobi. Last name goes into last name field. And obviously, you can do this with all your CRM fields and all your EventMobi fields. And then I click Next, and I click Start. And it takes a couple of seconds to load. And this is literally how easy it is to set up a ready-made integration. Now, let's say we want to build our own integration. We click on Automation, New Automation, and we select a trigger. A trigger is something that happens and that starts an automation. So in this case, when a new person gets added to EventMobi, let's add them to HubSpot. So if somebody registers for our event, let's add them to HubSpot. We can set up filters that allow us to manage specific edge cases. And now let's add them to HubSpot. What I do is create and update a new person, but there's hundreds of actions I can do on HubSpot. So I select that action, I select my integration again, and that's it. So in the next step, I map my fields again. So I say, for example, the email address goes into the email field, and let's search for the first name field. Where is it? There it is. So I want to write the EventMobi first name into the first name field, and then I click Save. And in theory, that's it. Already, all my registrants now get added to HubSpot automatically. But I want to go one step further. I want to properly track them, and I want to track that they attended my events. In HubSpot, I do this with meetings. In Salesforce, I would use campaigns. Maybe in your AMS, it's called differently, but it's always the same principle. I select HubSpot. I select Meeting, Create Meeting. And now I can select my integration again, and I can see what fields I can write into. So the first thing I want to do is I want to assign the meeting with the right person. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the person ID on HubSpot that I have from my previous trigger and just assign it, or they call it contact ID. And then I can fill out all the other fields if I want. So for example, in the description field, I can add a description. I can even add what they selected during registration, what sessions they were interested in. Everything you have in EventMobi, you can just easily add into other systems or vice versa. Now, if something changes in HubSpot, I can build the same integration the other way around. And all I do now is click Start. It takes a couple of seconds to get ready, and my integration is up and running. I have a dashboard where I can see the integrations that ran, and I also have the ability to see how many integrations ran day to day. That's all you need to know to set up your own integrations using Integration Hub. So we have tons of integrations with CRM systems, with association management systems, with ERP systems that are ready-made for you, that you can get started with in less than 60 seconds. And even if you want to build your own integration using a custom tool or maybe doing some custom work, it is easy. You just do a few clicks, you connect the tools, no coding required. And if you need help, we're always here for you. I hope this shows you that we mean it when we say Integration Hub makes integrations really easy, and I hope this is helpful for you.